before we start, I just want to advise you. It's always good to form good habits. Try and draw the normal curve, because the harder questions will test you on that. So the easy one, of course, you can just get by without drawing, but you need to draw in order to understand what's going on. So try and draw for your key in calculator. For example, now you know that this one, half of this, right, is 50%, because median 50 percentile, right? This is 50%. So you can actually tell straight away, if I draw the curve here, this mean here is -3. And I want to shade anything x, this is -3.5. I want to shade x less than -3.5 is here. So I know that this for sure, whatever I key in here will be less than 50%. Okay, you must have a sensing of what's going on. Okay, so that's where you get the idea that you should have a sensing. So anyway, mu is -3, sigma square is 4. So sigma is actually square root 4. So key in calculator, this is normal CDF. We only use CDF, cumulative. We start from -infinity to the upper bound. So this part here is, I think, is pretty okay. What you do is you just go to distribution, second distribution here, then you just normal CDF, which you already know. Then -10 to the power 99. Some schools will just say use E. Don't need to use E. I think just use -10 to the power 99 is much faster, because you don't even know which E you want to use, right? Actually, any E would do lah. But yeah. So the upper bound will be -0.35. Then this one will be, mu will be -3 to square root 4. Okay, remember that. In 0.401293. Okay, there you go.